Hi everyone, just let me pause the music. And yeah, we're ready to start. Hello, welcome. I'm so glad to see you all here. And I'm going to start to present. I think you can say it now, but I'll be checking the comment section. So feel free to post any question you have. After the opening ceremony presentation, we will have an Q&A section to see all your doubts. So why not? Let's start it. My name is Alberto. I'm coach here at the Major League Hacking. If you're wondering, I'm from Mexico, so that's why the accent. Right now, if you don't know where you are, you're in a hackathon hosted by the MLH. It's called CivicHacks, and this is an event we have every single weekend to ensure all you people have an event to attend. If you're from a town where no hackathons are happening this weekend, well, feel free and come here to celebrate the hackathon culture. Um, we're so excited to have you here. And during this opening ceremony, I'll go through what is going to happen the entire weekend. And remember, you can post in the comment sections your questions or whatever you want to share with the community. Each of our events here in the MLH have an inspiration, but well, it's not necessary to build your hack for the inspiration. Here we are at Civics Hack now, and that means we're trying to build some for civic theme. If you're from the APAC region, or other regions, not from North America or America in general, remember that we have another hackathon right now, which it's called HackFit 2, and that will be your hack to attend. This civic hack it's focused on North America region. So again, if you're from North America, US region, welcome again. This is CivicHacks. CivicHacks, it's about building hacks that are civic theme, right? Where you build something or thing or not, this is the weekend. It's all about hacking something incredible. I hope you have fun. I'll be here all weekend with you answering your question. Remember, we at our Discord have a ticket section in which you can ask for some help about a technical topic or about how to, I don't know, use some technology, how to post your project to that post. But more about that now. We're starting this online hack, and I wish you all the lucks. Have a successful weekend. If this is your first hackathon, um well, welcome to this wonderful world. I hope you have an awesome experience, and please feel free to share your questions. Don't feel embarrassed to do that. So, anything you can count on us. I'm Alberto. I'll be your presentation, your host tonight. But we have another MLHers with us this weekend. The first one I want to introduce is Manja. Manja, it's mainly with the Hack to Fit people, but you can also find her in Discord. JFK, Ajit are two other awesome coaches that will be with us this weekend. And last but not least, myself. I'll be here uh, to make this experience the most wonderful I can. So, what is the majorly hacking? You may be wondering. Well, if it's again your first time, uh, we are the global hacker community. Same as you, there are more than 500 people in every single point of the world, trying to share their knowledge, build amazing projects, just hack. So remember, if you are participating in our events, you're winning community points, and at the end of the seasons, which are every year, the more the community that have more points will earn amazing prizes. What else we do? Well, we have a global hack week that week in which we share. For example, in January, we have this global hack week about how to start in technologies. Like for beginners, I shared a workshop about how to do JavaScript if it's your first time programming. On February, we will have I think it's yeah, machine learning focused global hack week. So if you're interested in learning something about AI or machine learning, go to that link in the slide and participate. So what's exactly happening this weekend at CivicHacks? The next 45 hours, you're going to be jam packed with activities. What are these activities? Well, um, you are going to hack, build a project about the topic or the hackathon. You will learn a lot of things. I'm pretty sure about that. And last, you will share that project that you built before. But the most important thing, I think, is to make friends. You will have the chance to know a lot of persons from literally all over the world. So I think that's the most cool thing about this. We have mini games planned for you. So not all the time you will be like very anxious about the project, so you will have time to relax and just have fun. The first one is the guess the language, and in this mini game we're going to guess the language, and that's the thing about what language you think this sounds like, right? Um, that's funny. And we will have this later tonight. I'm going to host that. The next one it will be a worldly mini game. This will be tomorrow. The times are appearing here in the slides. If you forgot, don't be afraid of that. You can always ask. The next one will be Sneak Saboteur Guild Challenge. That will be also tomorrow. And well, that will be our mini games. How can I get to know other hackers this weekend? We have an activity planned for that, which is the hacker hangout. We will have that tomorrow at 10 p.m. Remember the time differences. This is 10 p.m. ET, and that's a voice channel on our Discord. It's called Hacky Hangout. You can find it in the Civic Hack section. It's Civic Hacks. At the very bottom, you will see Hacking Handout. That's all. I will see you tomorrow, 10 p.m. On that. So, speaking of Discord, remember the main hackathon. It's going to be involved in that. So, if you're not in Discord yet, remember to join us in the Discord community. I will share with you the link in the comment section. Just give me some minutes. Um, Once you're under Discord, don't leave the server when the hackathon is done. Remember, we have our MLH community in Discord. Discord, if you don't know what it is, it's where you can ask, chat, and meet everyone from our community. The link is this one. Join us at discord.mlh.io, right? Um, just take a screenshot of this, or if you're already familiar with Discord, let's continue. So, uh, don't forget, that's very important, to check in for the Civic Hacks hackathon. It will be a section also called CivicHacks. check in. There will be then you will find three links. One's for registering in the MLH website. The second one is for the dev post, and the last one is the real check-in, right? And React to get access to the channels. That's the fourth step, and the last one. It's pretty simple, but don't forget to do that. So let us know where we can send you the swag. That's why you really need to put real information in that forms. Yeah, that's it. These are the link again, hack.ac slash CivicHacks. This link is again on the Discord CivicHacks check-in section. Once again, link, copy paste it, take a screenshot, whatever you want. And update your address if you moved, if you changed, if this is not your first time. That's very important. That's prevent future issues. So, if you're familiar with the MLH, you know we have amazing partners. If you're not, let me talk about our partners. The first one is domain.com. Domain.com gives you a free tech domain name that it's amazing, and everything you need to redeem that, it's go to domain.com and use this code over here below the slide. It's January 23 hack, and with that be sure to just select a 1 year domain. If you select 2 year, it will charge you for that, but just change it to 1 year and you can redeem your free .tech domain. We can also use Bello. Bello, it's I would say no code, but it's no code anymore. It's no code anymore. Let's say low code. Bello, it's a low code platform developed by Wix, and if you use Bello in this weekend, you can get a drawing tablet. Oh, I remember that. I forgot. Sorry to tell you about the prize for domain.com. You will win a wireless charger. The next one and last, and not the last. Sorry, it's Fidelity. uh, Everything you will have to do it's a hack for accessibility. If you think of accessibility when you build your project, remember to mark in dev post your category as a fidelity project. The next one will be Twilio. If you use the Twilio API, you can win a hack. Sorry. Oh, yeah, you could claim a $50 trial offer. The next partner we have it's OutZero. OutZero it's a platform for authentication and security. It's very cool. I use it myself, and you can win these things you see in the slide. Just a little recap. If you want, again, can take a screenshot of that. If don't, just play again this stream. So next, we will have the prices. The category prices will be the best civic hack. This is the team one from the hack. The next category is the People Choice Award. You can vote for your favorite project during this hackathon, and that's the first overall, second, and the third. Remember, we have also the best CV hack will be earning a Monopoly kit, and the People Choice Award will be earning reusable sticky notes. First overall, second, and third have to have a Blue Snowball mic, a stream webcam, and gaming mouse. That's our prices for this weekend. So you could grab a season mascot, which is the Genie Giraffe. That's the one for this season, and that's important. Again, for you to put the correct address so we can send the tea for you. So, what else are we going to do this weekend? Remember, if you're looking for different ways to get started with your project, you can head to the link below, hack.ac/learn, and try out these GitHub starter kits, which is for Node and CockroachDB and Python. The MLH, we also have the MLH Fellowship, which is kind of internship but with a cooler name. Uh, and the real difference is that we want you to build projects and to be part of the projects you want to to contribute. For example, we have tracks for Meta and GitHub and for open source. Myself, I think the open source it's very cool because you get to work with amazing projects, and it talks so well to you to develop for open source. Um, so yeah, if you have more questions about the fellowship, there's a dedicated section in our Discord, and we will be very happy to answer your questions. Anything else? I need to be success in this weekend. You will have to do one thing that is submit a demo in dev post. We will share with you the link for dev post. But no matter what you develop during this weekend, we want you to be proud of that. That's why we encourage you to demo that, and we will give you a item sticker. Um, it's very cool, and it it's a reward for you hard work during the week. So show off what you build, no matter of the progress, no matter if you wanted to build a rocket ship and at the last minute you just handle a bicycle or whatever. Be proud of what you build again. So, how do I create that demo? That will include a 2-minute video showing us what you build. It is just not a set of slides. You have to record a video and like do the live demo for that, right? Include a link to your public repo. We need that to ensure your project is legitimate, that you build it. Finally, submit that to hack.ac/CivicHacks that post. The deadline, sorry, to do that, it's a.m. on Sunday. We'll remind you about that. Don't worry. And on a more serious note, remember you're being part of an MLH hackathon. So you agree already to be part of the code of conduct. If you haven't checked it, you can check it here in this link, which is mlh.io/code of conduct. Um, Short story long, just be a good person, right? Uh, well, let's keep in touch during these seasons. Uh, just follow us on this social media right here. And we're almost done. At this point, you should have everything you need to know to hack this weekend. If you post something on social media, we will be glad again in this account right here to be tagged. Don't forget to use the CVHack hashtag. Okay, then my advice for you it's to go to the build team section, team up, and just have fun. Don't get too stressed. Don't take it so serious. Have fun, right? Any question, any concern? Not sure where going to be, where, or not sure where you are right now. Don't worry. We are starting now our live Q's and I and Q question and answers. Um, if you have anyone, just post it here on the comment section. I'll be reviewing them. Let me check. Let me check. I'm just going to the top of it. We have Hey, yeah, what's up, everyone? That's very cool. Does every member of a team need to register? Yeah, that's very important. Every member needs to register in order to get your prizes if you win, in order to send you your shirt. Everyone needs to register, right? Um, Discord. I will sharing with you the Discord link. Just give me a second. Uh, it's right here. It shouldn't be that complicated. I'm looking for it. Give me just a second. Oh, oh, oh. I'm looking. I'm looking. Yeah, I got it now. Oh, it's this one. So next question. It's inform APAC but haven't slept yet. Oh, I'm from APAC but I haven't slept yet. Don't worry. That happened us a lot. Advice: have some sleep. To be honest, it will refresh your mind. You'll be more awake, and you will build a better project. So don't get me wrong. We're so glad you're here, but you should rest. Anyone need a teammate? Remember, also in the Civic Hack section, we'll have a channel called Team Building. Go then, post your abilities, make some friends, and team up. I'm a beginner. That's cool. Very welcome. When I speak of we, I'm talking about every MLHer in the community, every hacker. We are really glad you're here. I'm down. Are you in the CivicHacks Discord? Okay, Kidanish, are you in the Discord right now? Uh, if you are, you can tag me and I can help you with any specific question. Just write at Alberto from MLH and I will pop up. Te quiero mucho, Alberto from MLH. That means in Spanish, it's I care about you, and I care about you, Ana Claudio. I'm also need a teammate. Well, if there are two of you people, you can team up. Um, I'm just in the MLH thing. Oh, thanks for sharing the Discord link. Could I join a team? I'm a beginner. What's your Discord? Okay, remember, we have a dedicated section named Team Building. Uh, if you're not familiar with Discord, on the very left side, you will see these like channels, folders, or whatever makes sense to you. As always, you can you can tell them as you wish. Where it will have like the name of the section. For example, the first one it's join the server, I think. Then roles and references. Just scroll and you will see the Civic Hacks check in. Once you're checked in and you reacted to the fourth step with the MLH emoji, then you will have access to the other channels. That is Civic Hacks and yeah, that CV hacks that what matters to us. And in the CV hack section, you will see five channels, four text channels, and one a voice channel. That's the Hacky Hangout, in where we will have the activities. The CV hacks chat, it's like a general. Then the Ask CV hacks. That's a chat dedicated for us to help you resolve questions. Also, you can ask for questions opening a ticket if you don't want to make them public. Uh, then we have a Demo My Hack channel and the team building channel. That's where you should start talking with other people so you can team up, right? Here again, Skull Crusher for Life. Help us to share the Discord link. So I will I will ask resolve some questions. I can find the Discord link. Oh, here it is. My Discord is they are sharing their Discord's name. I sent a request to both. Okay, you're making already friends. That's very cool. What does our project need? If you still having questions with this after the presentation, we can recap on that. You don't need anything, to be honest. You can build whatever you want, but if you want to win a prize, uh, we have the category prizes for that. It will be like the first overall, second overall, and third overall. Uh, on the other hand, we will have the best hack for the theme, which is civic theme hack. We will win. Let me check again. Will win a Monopoly Kid. The first overall will win a Blue Snowball mic, and the second overall will win a streaming webcam. That's cool. The third overall will win gaming mouse. Last but not least, we have the People's Choice Award. Remember to vote for your favorite project. Also, if you use some of the technologies I mentioned before. For example, Twilio, you can get a $50 trial. If you use Below from Wix, you will win, or you can win, sorry, a webcam drawing tablet. Um, Another example is the domain.com. If you use register a domain with the .domain tech code promotional code, sorry, we have for you, you can win a branded backpack. I think it is. No, sorry, wireless charger. Wait, what's the theme? Civic. Does everything member need to be registered? Yes. Again, please, everyone register. That's very important. I can hear because where I am. Oh, sorry to hear that. You can always replay this video once it's done. But if you keep having questions, send me a message on the Discord or open a ticket. That will be the best thing to do. Will this slide be posted somewhere? Yeah, sure. I can share it with you. After this, I will share with you these slides on the CivicHacks chat. Just give me some minutes. Is the limit for Teams 4? Oh, I will double check that. I think it is, but I will double check that. I will ask that. I will resolve that, sorry, in the Discord chat in some minutes. Just let me confirm. Also, for the build week's price, does the whole project need to be built in or just a proportion of it? With just a proportion. You just need to justify where are you using that technology, and that will be okay. If you're building something with some other technology and take a little piece of that from being in Wix, that's totally fine. Where I can where can we see examples of past CivicHack projects? This is the first CivicHack. That's why, for example, we have HackFit 2, but this is CivicHacks first. Well, it's not a number, but the one it's the one it's there. This is the first one. Is there a thing? I might have missed something being said. Yeah, the theme is civic. Where do we even start? You can start right now. I mean, if you already have a team, remember, we encourage you to build teams. Uh, Go to the Discord, make some friends. That's the very important thing of this. So, I don't know what you mean where you say, where do we even start? So, Evan, can you go further with this question? What's the real question? Like, where do you start the project, or where do you start to form teams? I don't know. Um, if we already register individually, do we need to do anything once we have formed a team? No, for the hack, but for the dev post, yes. In the dev post, that's a completely different register, and you should register with your team. Once you already submitted your demo, you can always add people to the team. Don't worry about it. So I'll give some more minutes to see if you have more questions. We have one. Are there any criteria where we have to go by? Mm, not as technical, um, but we will use as criteria, for example, innovation, like what you learn, the video you sent us, um, like how's that? You just do like slides and talk, or you run like a demo of the entire project? Is your project working? It's deployed, works on local? That are some of the criterias, for example. Civic hack. Can you define what you mean by civic hack? Civics means like, oh, that's a good question. Um, think of it, could say like being a good citizen, like being a project that helps you uh, take more ethical decisions, a project that helps you uh, decide whether or not to do something, that helps you, for example, if you already decided to recycle, where you can recycle. Um, I don't know. It's not limited to anything in particular. I think civic is a very open topic. So that may be the question of Evan, like, oof, where to start, right? So you have a lot of field you can go. Um, I'll guess, if you have anything in particular you can help with, if you're helping someone, I think that's very civic from you. Make something that be for the community. Yeah, that's a very good example. That will be it. That's a very good example of being civic. So can I hear now? What's the theme? Okay, the theme is civic. That's funny because you already go with the very good example. Well, um, I think there's no new questions. If no one has anything to add, I think that will be it, guys. So happy hacking. I'll see you around.